Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Keisha Bailey, financial expert and wealth coach. Welcome to the Profit Jumpstarter channel, where we are dedicated to helping you achieve financial security and success. We share tons of videos so you can come here, learn everything you need to do to build wealth faster. This is where all the financial education videos are. But of course, knowledge is nothing without implementation. So make sure you're taking action on everything, all the valuable financial knowledge that I am pouring into you. Action, not a bag of mouth. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit it, and stay up to date on all the financial education videos that we share on this channel. Also, I want you to help me to uplift your entire community about personal finance and building wealth. So do me a favor. Can you share this video with the persons who you care most about? Or maybe, just anybody you really care about. Share the video with them so that they can improve their financial knowledge and make big money moves just like you and me. So each one reach one. Help me out here. We're also over on IG. Go check out our IG page, Profit Jumpstarter, and be sure to follow us to get all the real-time money tips and to see the day-to-day money moves that you see me and my clients making. You also can be a part of that if you want to by joining my Wealth Accelerator coaching program. So check that out at profitjumpstarter.com. Now that I got all of that out the way, I was thinking what to post about. What do I want to talk to you guys about next? And over on IG, make sure you follow me over there. I was getting a lot of feedback on a post that I did where I was getting concerns about my son because I shared a story about having to do emergency surgery on him recently. So I say, let me come here and share the full story with you guys. I've been getting a whole heap of DMs and phone calls. People have been concerned, and persons have been asking me, how you afford to do all of that? Where did you get all that money? Did you have an emergency fund? How big was the emergency fund? What's been happening overall? So I wanted to share that personal story with you guys because it highlights the importance of having an emergency fund. So listen up close. In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of having an emergency fund and how it can make all the difference when life throws unexpected curveballs your way. We want to be able to swerve because we have our emergency fund. So today I want to talk about something that is very important and can be life-changing for you and your loved ones. It's about having an emergency fund. Yeah, I know. It don't really sound exciting. It sounds, you're not really sure. But trust me, an emergency fund is one of the most important things you can do for yourself and your family. It is super important. So let me tell you the story about my son, Jack. A few weeks ago, he went to the dentist and he had two little cavities in his two little baby teeth, two little cavities that needed to be filled. Now, Jack, terrified. He don't want nobody touch his mouth. He's very afraid of his mouth. And it was a big deal for him even going to the dentist, but it had to be done because we had to make sure that we prevented further damage to his gums and that would put him now in pain every time he would eat. So we decided that, we're going to go ahead with the surgery to put in the fillings. And they had to put him under general anesthesia to get that done. So we thought it would be a simple procedure. We walked into the dentist, thought it was going to cost about 10,000 Jamaican. But to our surprise, it turned out to be 400,000 Jamaican dollars, which is around 3,000 US. We weren't prepared for this expense. Trust me, we never know what to do. But luckily, the emergency fund came in and we were able to pay for Jack's surgery without any bag of financial stress. This experience made me realize the importance of having an emergency fund. Life has a very funny way of throwing curveballs when we least expect it. We can't predict the future, but we can prepare for it. And having an emergency fund is exactly what is needed for uncertain times. You never know when you might face a financial emergency, like losing your job, having an unexpected medical emergency like we did, or just being broken car, anything can happen. These situations can cause a lot of stress and anxiety, especially if you don't have any savings to fall back on. That is why it's important to have your emergency fund. We need that safety net. Now you might be thinking, I don't have any extra money, Keisha. Omega save up to have this emergency fund in the first place. But let me tell you something. Even saving a small amount of money every month can make a huge difference in the long run. One cocoa full basket. A good rule of thumb is to have enough savings to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. You heard me. 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This way, you're going to have a financial cushion to fall back on in case of an emergency. I want to also stress that me know I'm the investing guru. I talk about investing all the time, and investing is important to build wealth. But it's equally important not to tie up all of your money in investments. You should always have a portion of your savings in an emergency fund. And when I talk about emergency fund, I talk putting that money in a high yield savings account for fast access when you need that money. Remember now, having an emergency fund can make a huge difference in your life. It can give you peace of mind, reduce stress, help you to navigate unexpected situations with ease. It's not about having money to pay for emergency. It's about having the freedom to make the best decisions for yourself and for your loved ones, for your family. That's really what the emergency fund is all about. So I'm going to urge you, start building your emergency fund today. Make it a priority, even if it means making some sacrifices, some little teeny sacrifices in other areas of your life. It's an important investment in your future, and you're going to thank yourself later. So, here's the thing. I want to leave you with this thought. Avoid getting caught financially unprepared for life's surprises. Remember, it is important to stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Start building your emergency fund today, and you're going to be on your way to financial security and peace of mind. That's what we want. So, listen up, guys. Thanks for checking in. I am very glad that you were listening. I know it's a time for action. One of the best ways to build up your money for your emergency fund, you can also think about side hustles. So check out my free side hustle guide. The link is below. Check out that link if you want to find additional ways to make money. Or if you're having some money struggles, drop that topic down in the comments and tell me what you want me to talk about next, and I'll be sure to do a video for you. Let me know, and then I will hook you up with all the financial education that you need. Make sure, sign up also for my free Multiply Your Money Guide. Now, the Multiply Your Money Guide is a perfect guide for anyone who is looking to let go the money struggles and take control of your finances. We don't want money to rule with and run with it. We want to understand that money is a tool and you have to learn how to use it. That is the key, major facts. So, thanks to everyone here for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, Profit Jumpstarter, if you want more advice and more tips on managing your finances. See y'all later.